Hello friends, I know you love your OnePlus and I also know you love Oxygen OS even more. And in this video I am going to tell you 5 insane and mind-blowing hidden features that you don't even know, which will make you fall in love with your Oxygen OS even more. The Oxygen OS is no doubt one of the best OS you can ever experience. There are many other OS options as well, just like MIUI, EMUI, ColorOS, Cyanogen and others. But the Oxygen OS is above everything else. Actually, it is solely based on Google OS, but with various interesting implementations over it in terms of UI icon and software. And the performance, of course. OnePlus and Oxygen OS are just like Jay and Viro, bonded to create wonders. Let us get started everyone with the features, and here is our number one feature for the video. Live captions. Yes everyone, live captions. Have you ever wondered how YouTube generates the caption automatically in real time? Have you ever searched for subtitles or subtitles app when you are watching any foreign language movie? Have you ever wondered why is there a CC option available in your system settings? Don't worry, we have you covered for all your queries. If you already have a OnePlus device or Oxygen OS, it has a built-in feature for auto captions and it works wonder, giving a hopping 99% of accuracy. While you are watching any video, this feature would surely help you, and the most interesting fact is that you can even transcript any songs, Skype call, any sort of audio, even a voice call too. Wow, isn't it amazing? My next feature that I wanted to tell you everyone, my friends, is landscape reply. Well, we are all, after all, multitasking and we love multitasking, but it is pretty painful when you are watching a video or any content over full screen on any applications like Insta, FB, etc. And say you received an important message, or in short you need to reply while watching the video itself. So if you're not using OnePlus or Oxygen OS, you need to close the video and go to the messenger to reply. But if you are using OnePlus or Oxygen OS, you have an option here, and the option is in the settings. There is an experimental feature called quick landscape reply. I repeat everyone, quick landscape reply. Once checked it will allow you to reply any messages over any full screen mode or app without switching to the messenger or any other app, and adding to that, it gives you a window everyone for the whole conversation with a full screen keyboard. Cool. Moving on, my second feature that I wanted to tell you today is split screen. The third super feature, which is basically a part of Android experience program, is a split screen, but OnePlus team offers you furthermore. To activate it, you have to simply enter into a multitasking window by either doing, if you are in a gesture mode, you need to swipe up and hold for 3 seconds. Guys, swipe up and hold for 3 seconds. Or if you are at a navigation bar mode, you need to simply tap on square button. Here you will see all the apps running in the background, and then you need to simply tap on the app which you want to be available in a split screen and hold it for 3 seconds again. Doing either of options I just suggested above, you will find 3 options again, into which you will get a split screen which you need to enable. Here you will be able to use 2 apps simultaneously with the help of this cool feature, split screen. Moving on, my fourth feature for the day is speak to the caller ID. This is yet another cool feature about Oxygen OS. For that, all you have to do is to go to system settings, and from system settings, audio settings, earphone, and then you can choose in-call assistance. With the help of this feature, your phone will tell you who is calling you, and it is both wise and accurate. My dear friends, as if the phone is not in your visible range, having earphones plugged in. For an example, say you are driving and the phone is in your pocket and you don't know who's calling you. This feature will help with the system will actually voice over to you who is the caller or who is calling you at this moment. Wow. My last feature that I wanted to tell you all is game engine. Well, this feature is basically for gamers around. If you are using Oxygen OS and you need to improve the efficiency and in the game performance of your phone, then you can surely choose this settings available in the developer mode. By checking this option, you will be able to import any third-party game engine to optimize the overall game settings within the game itself, just like GPU throttling, GFX settings, meteoric connection and FPS as well. I have myself tried it and it did wonder. So guys, this is just few of the hidden features that you still may not know that I had just presented you, and I would promise you to come back with many more such hidden features. Please check out again for more interesting videos, and yes, if you have not subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe. Please also do not forget to comment your queries below, or in general if you have a particular topic you want me to cover in my next video. Hope guys you enjoyed the video. Till we meet next guys, Mogam Tech is bidding you bye bye.